So if you have any issue, you can put in a chat box so that I have opened the particular chat box, so you can ask the question. Okay, so this was calculating yn plus 1. So you can see this yn plus 1 can be calculated by previous values of x and y. So obviously initial values or previous values are already known. But here we have used xn plus 1 that we can utilize by the xn plus h. So that can be increment by h, it can be calculated. It is not the issue. All x values can be calculated, but the issue is only yn plus 1. So that yn plus 1 that we are already calculating here. So yn plus 1 can be calculated by using simple Euler method. So obviously yn plus 1 is given to calculate by yn plus h of xn yn. So xn value already known to us, xn and yn. So these two values are already known to us. So from that particular value, we have calculated yn plus 1, and that yn plus 1 we have considered yn plus star or hash dot we can give. So yn plus 1 star that can be put here. So put in the particular function. So we need to calculate the equation dy by dx is equal to fxy. So this kind of equation we are going to solve. So this particular function, if you put this particular xn value, yn value in this particular function, we get the value of the particular function. So this value can be calculated. This value obviously we know from the using xn yn. So we have seen these two methods. Now we are going to see a next method is called as improved Euler method. Okay. So third method we are going to see improved Euler method. So same formula is there, but only so suppose I can write for the first yn is equal to yn minus 1 plus h of xy. So here we need to calculate x and y. So that will be x and y. We have not put the any ny. So x value can be calculated by simple formula, that is we need to add x value is equal to xn plus h by 2. So calculate this value and put here and utilize this particular function. Same way, y can be calculated by yn plus h of xn y. So we have to put this value in the particular function. X can be calculated by x is equal to, first calculate this value x and y, then put this particular in a function, then entirely y can be calculated. So first we need to calculate the value of x and y that could be put in the particular function. So x and y can be calculated by taking the initial values. So this is the initial value, x value plus h by 2 plus yn. Sorry, here it is also need to h by 2. H by 2. Yes, it is correct. X can be calculated by xn plus h by 2, and y can be calculated by yn previous value plus h by 2 xn yn. So this entire formula again put in the particular function and calculate this yn formula. Write this particular formula. Think on this particular. We are taking a problem, few problems on this particular improved method. You can see how we have improved. This is the Euler method. This is a modified Euler method. So this is a modified. Obviously, the formula needed. So obviously, you should know the particular how it will be calculated. Okay. So here we have taken h by 2, average of these two functions. Here same formula, but x, y, and y values are different. X value can be calculated by xn plus h by 2, and y can be calculated by yn plus h by 2 into f of xn y. So first calculate this particular function, then put this value in the particular y value. Calculate y value. Same way x can be calculated. Again put in this particular function, and then yn can be calculated. So obviously, whenever we are saying the yn is equal to y1, it will be y1 minus 1 0. whenever it is going to calculate y2 value, it is n minus 1 means y previous values. So write this formula. We are taking a problem based on this. How many people are there? Only 27. What about the other people? Mute your mic. Write this particular formula. We are going to use this particular formula. You should have a calculator, pen, and obviously we are going to see the procedure. We have seen the procedure for the different Euler methods. Same procedure we are going to adapt. If you have any question regarding this particular method, you can. Rutvik, you should change your photo. Rutvik Kotekar, change your photo, and I have told you many times that you should change your appropriate photo. Your ID photo should be there. So there are people we are not. Okay, you are ready. If you are ready, we are going to see. If you have written this for a particular formula, think on this, how we are going to solve this particular problem. Why are this particular formula? How it could be calculated? Yn plus 1. Yn plus 1. See the improved Euler method where we are going to calculate Yn value is equal to Yn plus 1 Yn plus h into function of xn plus h by 2 and Yn plus h by 2 function of x and yn. Okay, if you have written this particular formula, then we will solve the problem. Solve the equation. Write down now. Write down the equation. Write down the equation. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. Dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y. 1 minus y. Given initial condition. Given initial conditions. Y0 is equal to 0. Using modified Euler method. Using modified Euler method. Tabulate the solution. Tabulate the solution at x is equal to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. So this thing we need to calculate. So how it can be calculated? First, write down the table that we need to develop. So it could be table. So first we need to write the value of. So initial value y0 is equal to 0. That means here if it is xy, so initial value x0 is 0, y0 will be 0. x1, x2, obviously x1 will be 0.1 here, x2 will be 0.2 here, and x3 would be 0.33. So for that respective, we need to calculate y1 value, y2 value, and y3 value. So these table we need to complete. So first think on this particular value. So that x1 value is given, we need to calculate y1 value. So how it could be calculated? By seeing this particular formula, we need to use calculate this xy value. So x and y values should be calculated first. Again, by seeing this particular formula, we need to calculate this particular function at xn, yn first. So this will be the first step, then the second and third step. So simple. First, for x1 is equal to 0.1, the value is given, x0 is 0, y0 is 0. So these values are given. So first calculate this function f x and yn. So f x and yn means that is f x0 y0. So what is the function f0 y0? That is given 1 minus y. That would be considered as 1 minus y0. Okay, so what is 1 minus y0? 1 minus y0 is 0. So that is value is going to come 1. So f x and yn would be 1. Then again this value should be put in this particular calculation of y value. So y value can be calculated yn plus 1 plus h by 2 into function of x and y. So this value we have already calculated. So here again yn means previous value. So yn is equal to what? It is a y0 h by 2. H is what? Here from this particular formula, h would be 0.1. Then could be we can see increment x minus x0. That is the increment we can consider as the h value. Okay, so that could be 0.1 minus divided by 2 into function of this value is calculated as 1. So by default, we calculate this value as 0.05. So that is y value. X value is what? Simple xn plus x by 2. H by 2. So xn is what? Xn is the initial value. X0. 0 plus h by 2. 0 plus h by 2. H is what? 0.1. 0.1 divided by 2. Again, it is also going to come 0.05. So x and y value is calculated from that particular formula. Use this particular formula. The third step, you have to write yn, that is y1 is equal to y0 plus h of xy, x and y. So that y1 is equal to what? Y0 is what? Y0 initial value is 0 plus h of function xy, that would be 1 minus y. So again y1 would be 0 plus h value is given 0.1. 1 minus y0. 1 minus the particular y value. Basically, this particular function doesn't contain y value. So doesn't contain x. So no need to calculate x value also. So in the next calculation, don't calculate this x value for the each iteration. Okay. So simple 1 minus y value is 0.05. So 0.1 into 0.95. So it is a 0.095. So that is y1. For respective x1 value is already known. X1 is 0.1. So we have calculated y1. Similarly, same procedure we have adopted for the x2 value, this value. So here we have calculated. That was 0.095. Now calculate this for y2 and y3. Calculate this value for y2 and y3. We have calculated here y1 value. I need the value of y2 and y3. I will give 5 or 6 minutes. Simple. The function is very simple. Divide by x is equal to 1 minus y. No need to calculate the values of x also. So calculate this and put in the chat box. So I can identify which people are listening this lecture. There are few people: Arya, Mahesh Katkure, Nikhil Kudke, Nishant Saramble, Pooja Khoth, Rutvik Patil, Sanket Barge, Shivam, Saurabh, Sudarshan, Vaibhav. I think they are sleeping. Calculate the value of y2 and y3. If you have any question, put in a chat box. If you have any question, put in a chat box. And I have calculated y1 value, calculate y2 and y3 value, and put in a chat box. If you have any other question, any query regarding this chapter or modified Euler method, calculate fast. At least few people should calculate this value. At least calculate y2 value. How many people are calculating y2 value? Nobody is solving. What I can do now? What is the issue? Why you are not solving this problem? If you are not going to solve, I couldn't do anything. Sir, explain improved formula once again. Okay. I will explain. Point 19. Yes, it is somewhat similar value. Point 19. Three decimal points should be same. Actually, I have calculated 0.18098 and 0.2587. This is a Y3 value. Point 19 is somewhat similar. Check whether you have gone where you have gone. Point 18 and point 25 is the correct answer. Point 9 is not the accurate one. At least two decimals should be same. Point 18.098, that is means third decimal point, you can write anything. But point 18 should be there. Check how many decimals you have taken. So briefly I will explain 5 minutes again this method. So people are saying I have not got this particular method. So once again I will try to explain this method. Okay, so what we have done, just see the formula. Same formula is there. So if you see this particular formula, yn is equal to yn minus 1 h of f xy. So same thing is there. Only the difference, instead of this xn yn, if we are going to calculate xn, it would be xn minus yn. But we are going to change the value of x and y. There are different formula for x and y. So that is what that we have written here. This is for x value and this is for y value. This is x value and this is y value. This is y value and this is x value. So we need to calculate first. So this is formula we need to by heart. For this purpose, we need to calculate x value, that would be xn plus x. Y value can be calculated by this formula, yn plus h by 2 function of xn y. Simple thing is that. So these three parts are there. If you are not getting, just see the formula. Just obviously you should know the how we have calculated Euler method. So this is the formula for the calculation of. I will specify the formula in the y1 value. So if it is a y1 value, we need to calculate y1 is equal to y0 plus h of x0 y0. Only xy, no x0 y0. So this function we need to put the value of x and y. So x can be calculated by x0 plus h, and y could be calculated y plus h by 2, a function of x and y, and that is x0 y0. y1 can be calculated by this simple formula. How about this? For to know this calculate y1 value, how we going to adopt this procedure for the calculation of y1? What we have to put is value. We need to calculate the value of x first, y first, and then put in this particular function. So before that, we again put this particular x0 y0. So I can standardize this particular formula by simple method. First calculate. We need to calculate this formula. I don't know which part you are not getting, but y1 would be calculated by y0 plus h of f xy. Simple thing is there, not complex thing is there. Only xy and y are not xn y1 or xn minus 1 y1. It is not there also x0 y0. It is calculated separately by x and y. So simple thing is that we need to calculate this x and y separately. To use this particular formula. This is obviously this is the final formula. This is the final formula. No doubt. Okay. We cannot use this xy value directly here. So for that purpose, we need to calculate this xy separately. How it is calculated? X value can be calculated by x0 plus h, and y can be calculated by y0 plus h by 2 into function of x0 y0. So by standard, first whenever x0 y0 value is given, this is the initial value problem. Obviously x1 is also known to us, y1 is unknown. Sorry, y1 is unknown. So in this particular situation, we have to calculate this particular x0 y0. First calculate x0 y0. We have to put this particular x0 y0 in the second formula, that is y value. So y value can be calculated. First calculate this. So obviously that is what? It is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to into function of x0 y0. Simple thing is that. So second step, we have to utilize this particular formula x0 y0 in the particular function. 5 minutes. Keep time right? So y can be calculated by y0 plus h by 2 into function of x0 y0. So this is the previous value. This is the previous value. We have to put here. Calculate this y value. Second way, x value can be calculated by x0 plus h, simple. And last formula is this this formula. So y1 can be calculated y0 plus h of x0. Sorry, again calculate here a function xy. Calculate this function fxy by using this y and x value. And last would be using this particular formula, calculate y1 is equal to y0 plus h of function xy. So this value can be calculated previously. These are the 4-5 steps are required to write this particular method. Okay, we are closing this session. There is a very less response from the you people. Only Shubham, Kedar, Sandeep, and Omkar has replied.